Hey everyone! Today we're very excited to announce the release of our new feature called Discover, and you can find it by simply clicking on Discover in the menu item. First of all, you're going to get a list of people to follow. These are suggestions, and these are suggestions based on four things. So first of all, it's connections from people you are following already. That's one. It's suggestions of people that share and use similar hashtags on DeSo. Suggestions are based on whether or not you speak the same language on DeSo, and suggestions are based on whether or not people are living in the same country as you are, assuming you've registered your location on desogeo.com. A second group of interesting people to follow are the post to earn ranking creators. And it's important to understand that these are not only people using the social world, because if you would go to posttoearndao.com/statistics, you will find a list of engaging creators on any big application in the DeSo ecosystem. So whether you're an engaging user on BitCloud or Diamond or DeSoFi, DeSocial World or NFTC, you will show up in this list anyhow. So these are all people you can follow because they're engaging. If this icon is depicted in you can see it if you hover over it. It means that person is already following you. If it's gray, it means that person is not. And if you click on the item, it means you're going to follow that person. You can also discover content. First of all, based on full text search. So we may want to look for anything related to proof of stake. And if we click on it, you'll get a list of interesting articles and posts on DeSo from proof of stake. To do this, we use the API from Search Cloud, and they provide us with all this information. But you cannot only do full text search, you can also do the search of the bio text, so the text in any profile of anyone on DeSo. So you can also use that to look for people with similar interests. So suppose who are the people who are also interested in soccer and mention that in their profile. You can see it here. But you could also choose like finding people who speak the same language, like Dutch. You get a list of people here. Or look for people who have an interest in a similar application like NFTC, and you'll quickly find a list of people to follow. So this feature will allow people to discover other people. It will allow people to discover content on DeSo. We're not done yet. We're going to evolve this feature over time, but for now, we hope you like it as it is. If not, or you have ideas for improvement, please raise them in the chat on DeSo, on chain of course. Enjoy the feature.